Knots and Dreams. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled by a shimmering lake, there lived a young woman named Clara. Clara was a weaver, known for creating the most vibrant and intricate fabrics. Her work adorned markets and homes, yet she often felt a void in her heart, as though her life lacked meaning. One day, as Clara worked on a particularly complicated design, the threads became tangled. Frustrated, she sighed. Why does everything I do feel so pointless? Am I destined to weave without purpose forever? To clear her mind, Clara decided to walk along the lake's edge. The sun was setting, casting golden hues across the water. As she wandered, she noticed an old man sitting by a crooked tree, repairing a fishing net. "Evening, young lady," the old man greeted her with a warm smile. "You seem troubled. Care to share your thoughts?" Clara hesitated but eventually poured out her feelings. The man listened intently, then said, "Come with me. I have something to show you." They walked to his modest hut, where the walls were adorned with nets and tools of every kind. In the corner stood a loom covered with a plain grey cloth. The man pulled the cloth away, revealing a tapestry unlike anything Clara had ever seen. The colours danced in perfect harmony, and the patterns told a story of joy, struggle, and triumph. "It's beautiful," Clara whispered. The old man turned the tapestry around, showing its chaotic backside. Threads crisscrossed in wild directions, knotted in places. "Life is like this tapestry," he said. "You only see the mess when you're too close. But step back, and you'll find a masterpiece. Every knot and tangle plays its part in the grand design." Clara's heart swelled as the man handed her a single golden thread. "Take this. When the time is right, you'll know how to use it." Grateful, Clara returned home, inspired to weave with a newfound sense of purpose. Days turned into weeks, and Clara continued her craft with patience and faith. She began incorporating the golden thread into her work, creating pieces that radiated beauty and hope. One day, a stranger visited Clara's workshop, a young scholar who had heard of her creations. He wanted a tapestry for his library, a place where villagers could gather and learn. Clara eagerly accepted the commission, pouring her heart into the project. When the tapestry was unveiled, the village was in awe. The patterns seemed to tell a story of unity and resilience. People came from far and wide to see it, and the library became a beacon of knowledge and community. Years later, Clara returned to the old man's hut to thank him, but he was gone. In his place, she found a note pinned to the crooked tree. "Every thread matters, Clara. You've woven not just fabric, but hope into the lives of others. Keep weaving your masterpiece." From that day forward, Clara lived with a renewed sense of joy, knowing that her work was part of something far greater than herself. And so, Clara became not just a weaver of cloth, but a weaver of dreams, reminding everyone that even the tangled threads of life contribute to a beautiful design. Let's learn some words from story. Intricate meaning. Very detailed and complicated. Example. Clara's intricate designs amazed everyone in the village. Void, meaning a feeling of emptiness or lack of purpose. Example. Clara felt a void in her heart despite her weaving success. Tangled, meaning twisted together in a confused or messy way. Example. The threads in Clara's loom became tangled as she worked. Harmony, meaning a pleasing combination or arrangement of different elements. Example. The colours in the tapestry danced in perfect harmony. Knot, meaning a tied or tangled mass of something, often thread or string. Example. The back of the tapestry was full of knots and loose threads. Commission, meaning to formally request someone to create or produce something. Example. The scholar commissioned Clara to create a tapestry for the library. Radiate, meaning to emit energy, light, or a feeling. Example. The tapestry seemed to radiate beauty and hope. Resilience, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, the tapestry story reflected the resilience of the community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.